Welcome back. I'm here with another video. In this one, it's super quick, super easy, super simple. Probably one of the most simplest designs you can do for this fall. It's a crocodile or reptile print using blooming gel. And this is super, like I said, super quick. So first thing you're gonna do is go in with a black polish. I go in with 2 coats. And again, you can swap out and play with different colors with this design if you want to. You can do a green base with black spots, or you can do black base with orange spots, brown spots, gray spots, whatever you want to do. It's really whatever your client wants. You can pretty much use and mix any colors with this design. Then you're going to go in with some blooming gel. Blooming gel is the thing that is going to help it spread apart. You can find blooming gel pretty much anywhere nowadays. I would definitely check Amazon for probably the cheapest and like more bang for your buck. So I like to do this design with the dotter tool. I've tried it with the brush and it just doesn't come out the same. The dotter tool allows me to pick up so much product at one time for each individual spot. And then I just kind of use that dotter tool and make a small box. And you don't have to worry about making it big because the blooming gel will work for you. That's kind of the purpose of it. Once you lay that spot down, it's going to spread and do its own thing. Once you feel like it's spread to your liking or your client's liking, then you're going to go ahead and dry it before you add a top coat. That's very important because you don't want to mess the design up. So go in with your favorite top coat and then dry it, and then you're all done. Like I said, super quick, super fast. Probably one of the most simple designs you'll be able to do, or you can do for fall, because you know sometimes you just want to do something quick. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys try this out on your clients.